Hey team, it's Marie Antoinette. I'm really excited that you guys really want to embrace getting to the maximum potential you can in this business. And I wanted to share with you just some quick tips on how to do that. First of all, know your facts. Know the comp plan. If you haven't seen the comp plan, you need to see the comp plan. If you don't understand the comp plan, learn the comp plan. Ask your sponsor about the comp plan. Know the comp plan because that's what makes Maëlle so special. So special. Okay. Also, know about the products. Even if you haven't tried the products, you have the product information sheets and use those. Use graphics and look at the product information product information pages to grab information about that. Make a cute graphic. Share your excitement. Everyone loves excitement. And when people say, hey, what is this, Maëlle? You can tell them, it's an amazing company. Here, I have a group that explains all about it. Can I invite you? That's all you have to do. Seriously, that is all you have to do. And then I invite them to the Beauty Culture Academy, welcome them on the pin post, and then follow up with them. Follow up with them and say, hey, what do you think? And they may go, oh, I'm not really sure. I said, well, what is it that you're not sure of? You know, and then find out what their objections are. Handle their objections. If somebody comes to you and they say, you know what, I'm not really sure if I like all these products or there's not enough products, rest assured, Maëlle is going to have many more products and they have the opportunity of joining risk-free without having to sign up for anything, without having to buy a kit, which is huge, without having to put any money up front just to check us out. And if they don't like it, they can leave. And they're not going to hurt your feelings. Make sure you tell them that they are not going to hurt your feelings if they leave. Because once somebody leaves and you're upset all about it, it doesn't become about them. It becomes about you, and that's selfish. So that's simply what I do. And sometimes these conversations happen in minutes. Sometimes they happen in hours. Sometimes they happen in days. The thing is that you need to be authentically you and take this opportunity away from it being all about you and make it all about them. When I had you guys fill out that questionnaire, why did I do that? Was it because I just wanted your email addresses? Heck no. It's because I wanted to know where you wanted to go with Maëlle so I could help you with the business. When you're sharing the opportunity, you're doing the same thing. You are finding out about them, finding out what interests them, and then presenting a tremendous opportunity for them. This is a tremendous opportunity that every single person has. And you can either just sit, wait for your product, or wait for products to sell individually and see if you like the product and then share the product. Or you can go on blind faith of your sponsor, of your sponsor's upline and above, and other people who have tried the products and say, you know what, I know this is going to be an amazing product. I know it's an amazing product because I shared it with a salon today, and those women went from, oh, it's a party plan to, oh, it's a party plan? Wow, this cosmetic is as good as the products in Sephora. That is worth noticing. I hope that was helpful for you guys. Share, share, share. If you need any assistance, if you need me to jump in a chat to talk with somebody, I can. But really, it's all about building a relationship with that person and getting to know what they want and letting them know that that's how much you care about them, is that you share the opportunity. I'm so blessed and thankful that all of you are in this group. I am so excited about where we're going to be going and where we're going to head.